Kids in school today use a slightly different method for subtracting whole numbers than you probably learned when you were in school. However, what we're going to use is the traditional right-to-left method that you're probably familiar with. So to subtract whole numbers, you're going to start by arranging the numbers one on top of the other, lining up the place values. So for example, say you have 624 minus 120. Rewrite the numbers lining up the place values. So 624 minus 120. And you can see the ones place is lined up the tens place and the hundreds place. Now subtract down the columns beginning with the ones place and use your subtracting facts. So 4 minus 0 is 4, 2 minus 2 is 0, 6 minus 1 is 5. The difference is 504. With subtracting, it's easy to check your answers. So here we have our question, our original question, 624 minus 120 equals 504. That's the answer that we got. Okay, so you can check it by adding the difference, the answer that you got, plus the amount that was subtracted, and you should get the number that you started with. So 504 plus 120 equals 4, 0 and 2 is 2, 5 and 1 is 624. So we know our answer is correct. Even with the prevalence of calculators these days, you should know how to add manually with paper and pencil. Arrange the numbers lining up the place values, and then subtract down each column. And remember that subtraction typically does not involve more than two numbers at a time.